Hello students, this is part 3 of chapter number 1st, nutrition in plants. In previous video, we have learnt about heterotrophic nutrition. In this video, we will discuss about insectivorous plants. Plants that take some or most of their nutrients by trapping and consuming animals, mainly insects. These plants mostly grow in places where the soil is lacking nitrogen. Examples: pitcher plant, sundew, Venus flytrap. Sundew. The leaves of sundew plant have long, thin structures called tentacles. You can see these are the tentacles, which have a drops of mucilage, sticky substance, just as you are using Fevicol or gum type. At the ends, once an insect touches the tentacles, it gets stuck in the structure, in the mucilage, and is unable to escape. It is then digested. Pitcher plant. The leaf of this plant is modified to form a tubular pitcher-like structure. This is leaf which is modified. Inside of this structure, hairs are there which are pointing downward, that do not allow any trapped insect to climb up and escape. At the bottom of this plant, digestive juices are present which help in digestion of insects. Venus flytrap. The leaves are modified. This is modified leaf again to trap insects. The inner surface have short, stiff hairs. When an insect touches the hair, the leaves snap shut in less than a second. Then insect is digested. Symbiotic plants. Plants that live in association with other organisms, share food and other resources, are called symbiotic plants. Example: lichens. Lichens. It is an association between fungus and alga. Alga provides food to fungus and fungus helps the alga to grow in harsh conditions. So in this, both organisms help each other without harming each other. In previous video, we have learnt about heterotrophic nutrition. In that video, we have learnt about parasitic plants. Parasitic plants harm the host plant, but in symbiotic association or in symbiotic plants, they are not harming to each other. They are mutually gain from each other. Replacement of nutrients in the soil. Plants use nitrogen for their growth. As a result, there is a reduction. Reduction means lack of nitrogen in the soil. For the replacement of the soil, we are using manures and fertilizers. Naturally, we can also replenish. Replenish means to fill up again the soil by growing leguminous crops. Leguminous crops just as pea, green beans. In these crops root, rhizobium bacteria is present which convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. Plants are easily use this form of nitrogen. Example of leguminous crop: pea.